As more people turn to indoor pets for companionship, the demand for comfortable, spacious, and easy-to-maintain rabbit cages has risen sharply. Whether you're a first-time bunny owner or upgrading your current setup, choosing the right enclosure matters. This guide evaluates essential factors such as build quality, layout, ventilation, assembly ease, durability, and overall value.
Product number 1. Midwest Homes for Pets Medium Wabbitat Rabbit Cage. The Midwest Homes for Pets Medium Wabbitat Rabbit Cage is one of the most popular enclosures among new and experienced rabbit owners. Its standout feature is the spacious interior that gives rabbits room to roam while maintaining a compact footprint for apartment living. The cage's wire construction is strong enough to handle daily wear while ensuring maximum airflow. The deep plastic base prevents bedding scatter, making cleaning easier for busy owners. This model includes a secure front access door that allows convenient feeding and interaction with your pet. Unlike many budget cages, it offers a slide latch locking system that ensures your rabbit remains safely inside without accidental openings. The elevated feeding area also helps keep food clean and off the bedding surface, reducing waste. Assembly is straightforward, no specialized tools needed, making it a great choice for beginners. Owners appreciate its excellent balance of durability, accessibility, and space, especially for medium-sized rabbits. If you're looking for a cage that fits seamlessly in bedrooms, offices, or living rooms and offers a stress-free cleaning experience, this one delivers exceptional value.
Product number 2. Midwest Homes for Pets Small Wabbitat Rabbit Cage. Ideal for smaller rabbits or compact living spaces, the Midwest Homes for Pets Small Wabbitat Rabbit Cage offers the reliability of the Midwest brand in a more space-friendly package. Despite its smaller size, it retains the sturdy wire frame and deep plastic tray that customers love. The wiring is spaced safely to prevent chewing damage or escape attempts, making it suitable for younger rabbits or breeds that tend to be more energetic. The cage includes a top opening and front opening door, offering multiple ways to interact with and clean around your pet. The deep pull-out tray at the bottom makes maintenance quick. Slide, dump, rinse, and replace. For owners who work long hours and need a setup that stays cleaner for longer, this cage earns high marks. Another perk is that it's lightweight and easy to move around your home. Whether placed on a table, on the floor beside a gaming desk, or near a sofa, it blends well with different room layouts. This is an excellent option for anyone wanting a dependable enclosure without taking up too much space, especially in dorms or small apartments.
Product number 3. 41 Panels Pet Playpen. If your rabbit needs more room to explore, the 41 Panels Pet Playpen is a versatile alternative to traditional cages. This modular design allows you to create custom shapes from rectangles to full-sized playrooms, depending on your home layout. Each panel is made from durable metal mesh that provides excellent ventilation and visibility while keeping your rabbit safely contained. One of the biggest advantages is its flexibility. You can reshape the enclosure anytime, making it perfect for growing bunnies or households that rearrange frequently. The coated wiring prevents rust, and the connectors lock everything tightly in place for long-term stability. For owners who want to give their rabbits plenty of exercise without free-roaming hazards, this playpen is a fantastic solution. Cleaning and access are also much easier compared to traditional cages. Simply step inside the enclosure or reach through the large panels to refresh bedding or change water. Many owners use this playpen alongside a standard cage to create a hybrid habitat, sleeping area inside the cage, and a play zone created by the panels. It's an ideal pick for multi-pet households needing adaptable boundaries.
Product number 4. Stackable Rabbit Cage with Feeder. The stackable rabbit cage with feeder is perfect for owners with multiple rabbits or those who are breeding. Its vertical stacking ability saves valuable floor space while ensuring each rabbit has its own designated secure living area. The
The cage's heavy-duty frame is built to handle long-term use and repeated cleaning cycles, making it a reliable investment for serious pet owners or small-scale breeders. Each level includes its own feeding system, typically a built-in feeder and water reservoir, which minimizes mess and keeps daily maintenance fast and organized. The wire flooring ensures proper ventilation and droppings fall into a pull-out tray below, simplifying waste removal. This setup also helps prevent cross-contamination between rabbits, improving overall hygiene. The doors feature secure locking mechanisms that stand up to even the most persistent escape artist bunnies. Despite being sturdily built, the design maintains good visibility and airflow, creating a comfortable environment for each rabbit. If you have multiple rabbits and want an enclosure system that's efficient, space-saving, and easy to manage, a stackable cage with integrated feeders is one of the best options on the market. Product number 5. 12 panels small animal playpen. Compact yet sturdy, the 12 panels small animal playpen is a great choice for owners who want a portable, customizable play area for their rabbits. Made from durable metal mesh panels, it offers enough height to discourage jumping while giving your bunny the freedom to explore safely. It's especially popular among apartment dwellers who need a temporary setup that can be folded and stored away quickly. The modular design allows you to build various shapes depending on your available space. Whether you prefer a circular enclosure, a rectangle, or a corner play zone, it adapts effortlessly. This makes it ideal for supervised playtime, bonding sessions, or giving your rabbit a change of scenery outside its main cage. Because the panels offer excellent visibility, it's easy to keep an eye on your rabbit from anywhere in the room, handy for those who work at a desk or game while their pet plays nearby. Cleaning is minimal since you can place it directly on a mat or easy-to-clean flooring. For owners needing a lightweight yet flexible habitat solution, this playpen is both practical and budget-friendly.